To put products on sale on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin account and navigating to the products page. From here, click on the product you want to put on sale and then click on the Edit button. In the product details page, scroll down to the pricing section and click on the Compare at Price field. This field allows you to set a compare at price, which is the original price of the product before the sale. Enter the original price in this field. Next, set the sale price by entering the new price in the price field. The sale price should be lower than the compare at price. Once you have set the compare at price and the sale price, click on the Save button to apply the changes. The product is now on sale and the sale price will be displayed on your store along with the compare at price. To make the sale more visible to your customers, you can also add a sale badge to the product. To do this, go to the product details page and scroll down to the organization section. Click on the tags field and add the tag sale or on sale. This will automatically add a sale badge to the product on your store. You can also use this tag to create a sale collection and display all the products that are on sale in one place. It is also a good idea to set a schedule for the sale by using the Sales Scheduler app. This app allows you to schedule the start and end dates of the sale and automatically applies the sale price to the product during the scheduled time. By following these steps and using the Sales Scheduler app, you can easily put products on sale on your Shopify store and make the sale visible to your customers. This will help drive sales and increase revenue for your store.